Inspection guide for your LG air conditioner. First, make sure the power cord of the air conditioner is plugged in. And you need to check the remote control. The remote control battery contact should be checked for corrosion. Batteries should be replaced with new ones instead of the old ones. Second, clean the filter. Open the filter cover, remove the filter and clean it with cold water. The wind is weakened when dust accumulated in the filter, which reduces cooling. The electricity cost will be high. Ventilate the area around the outdoor unit. Clear any obstructions from the ventilation window. Having obstacles around the outdoor unit will cause it to use a lot of electricity and malfunction. Reduce the temperature to 18 degrees Celsius by using the air conditioner in cooling mode. Check the status of the fans indoors and outdoors. Check the humidity in the outdoor piping. When the outdoor unit is operating for 20 minutes, do conform on the thick pipe connected to it. When it is cold to the touch, it is normal. And check the drain hose. Water should be able to flow freely through the drain hose. Water will leak from the air conditioner if the hose is curled up or raised. You can purchase a new drain hose at a hardware store if the old one is damaged.